Hey guys, welcome to NXTGEN GFX. My name is Jerry. This is Aaron behind the camera, and welcome to our little shop. So you purchased a transfer off of us, and this is how it's going to come. We have the transfer on a translucent sheet, and we put it in an envelope like this, ship it to you, and it comes with, and depending on how many you order, we separate them with a white piece of just plain old printer paper, and it also comes with a set of instructions to go by to press these, and these are a little bit different than some transfers, so we're going to go through it with you and show you exactly how it's done. So first thing you're going to do is get your heat press set to the temperature required by the type of garment you're doing. So if we're printing on 100% cotton, we're going to be printing at 300. We're going to be pressing at 310 degrees for 30 seconds. So I've got my press set up for 300. You can see I'm on 316 degrees, but you need to verify your heat for your press. So right now we're setting right on 310 degrees, but you can see we're set on 316 there. So you need to make sure, just because your press says 316 degrees doesn't mean that's what it is. And the temperature is very critical. So we're still shooting at 310 degrees. The other thing we need to set is our pressure, and you need to be medium to firm pressure, nothing super hard. So we'll lighten it up a little bit, still a little too hard. Right there. So it's not too hard, nice and firm, just not super hard. Okay? And so now what we'll do is press this for about 5 seconds just to get the moisture out of the shirt, get it nice and straight. Take your lint roller, make sure it's good and clean, because you want everything, you want these to adhere as best they can, and you don't want them to adhere to the lint. Alright, so you take your transfer, words up, you're going to place it center on your shirt. You're going to take a piece of Teflon paper, we're going to lay it right on top. Squeeze that in, nice firm pressure for 30 seconds. Alright, we're getting down to time. 3, 2, 1. Pop it up. Be careful, this is very hot. So you're going to take that off and set it to the side. Do not peel this. This needs to come off as easy as you can get it. Set it over to the side and let it set and cool for at least 5 minutes. If it's not cool, when you try to peel it, you'll peel the letters back off. So at least let it cool for 5 minutes on a solid surface. And it should be cool to the touch. The paper should be when you go to touch it, and that's how you know it's ready to peel. Alright, so now that we've let it cool, and it should feel cool to the touch, should be at least 5 minutes. You're going to start with a real tight roll. So you're just going to grab a hold of it like this. You're going to try to pull it, and if it starts sticking, if you can see right here, see how it's sticking right there, that means it's not cold enough. That means you haven't let it set long enough. So we need to let it set just a little bit longer. Okay, and you can see it's sticking to the paper. When this is cold, this will come right off. So we just gotta let it set for just a few minutes more. Alright, so we've come back, we've let it set a little bit longer. It feels good and cool. We're gonna try again. So you're gonna do a little tight little roll. And you see how it's starting to come off there. You just keep it good and tight. Just roll it right off. And you're done. Done with that. So now we're gonna put it back in the press. Per the instructions. And this time we're going to go for 20 seconds. You take your finishing paper, and this can be, you can use Teflon paper, you can use finishing paper. Do not use butcher paper, and do not use the white piece of printer paper we stick in the pouch as a separator. You need to have this foil type paper so that it doesn't stick to the letters. So we're going to stick that over top, and we're going to press for 20 seconds. And we're about done. 3, 2, 1. You pull up. We're doing a nice slow peel. And then take it off the press. And give it a little stretch, diagonal. A little bitty stretch diagonal, and that just gets it in there real good. And there it is, guys. Looks really good. It's on there. Looks really good. And you can see it's down in the fibers. It feels just like screen print. Everything, it's actual ink, so it's not vinyl. We're actually printing ink on the shirt. And just make sure you tell your clients, don't wash for 24 hours. This has been NXTGEN GFX. We appreciate your business. Thank you.